Today I want to teach you how to solve logic puzzles. Maybe you've done these before and you love them. Maybe you've never done them before. They are quite a treat. They're going to twist your brain around and make you think. And in the end, you're going to feel so awesome because you did something really hard and fun. So this particular challenge has quite a few layers to it, but it already has a table drawn for us, which really, really helps. If you encounter a logic problem that does not have a table drawn, the first step would be to draw a table. You can see that there are some different parts to our table. Right here we have friends, and we have the names Amy, Marlene, Marcia, and Renee. Then over here we have another section for food, gravy, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and turkey. I'm feeling hungry. Then we have pie, apple pie, cherry pie, pumpkin pie, and strawberry pie. On this side, we have birthdays, November 1st, November 5th, November 10th, and November 15th. Then we have another section for the pie and another section for the food. Those sections are repeated twice because you can see that we're going to get clues that help us figure out both of those, and we're going to need those twice. So down here is where you can put your final answers, and here is our problem and the clues. 4 friends have birthdays leading up to Thanksgiving. They love Thanksgiving so much, they throw themselves a group birthday party that doubles as an early Thanksgiving dinner. You must determine each girl's birthday, favorite Thanksgiving food, and what type of pie they brought to dinner. Okay, so there's our challenge. Who brought what type of pie, which birthday belongs to which girl, and what is each girl's favorite Thanksgiving food. So then you can see we have 11 clues right here. And if we read through these clues and take them step by step, we're going to be able to solve the problem. Now, here's one clue, one hint. When you're solving a deductive logic problem like this, you probably will have to go through the clues more than one time. So here's the strategy I like to use when I'm solving these types of problems. I like to use smiley faces. As you can see, I've got some up here, and X's. And I've given you, 10 or 15 of each. Of course, if you run out, you can just copy and paste to get more. So the first clue says, of Renee and the one who brought cherry pie, one loves stuffing, and the other has a birthday on November 10th. So I'm not sure I know all of the answers to this, but if I read that first part of Renee and the one who brought cherry pie, I'm pretty sure Renee did not bring cherry pie. So if Renee did not bring the cherry pie, then I want to scroll up here and I'm going to say Renee did not bring cherry pie. And I put an X right there. Now I know that I'm going to get some more information from this clue later, but I'm not quite sure what all of these things mean. So I'm going to move on to the next clue. The one who brought strawberry pie is not Marcia and does not love gravy. Well, if Marcia did not bring strawberry pie, I'm going to go ahead and move an X for Marcia and strawberry pie. Getting some good clues about the pie. Clue number 3, the one who brought apple pie is Marlene. Oh, well, that's helpful. Marlene brought apple pie. I had to double check myself there. Okay, so Marlene gets a smiley face because we know Marlene brought apple pie. So here's Marlene right up here. She brought apple pie. So that smiley face goes there. Now here's the real magic of the table. We now know that Marlene did not bring cherry pie. because she brought apple pie. She did not bring pumpkin pie. She did not bring strawberry pie. We also know that Amy did not bring apple pie because Marlene brought the apple pie. We know that Marcia did not bring the apple pie. And we know that Renee did not bring the apple pie. Oh, look at that. 3 clues down. We already know that Marcia brought the apple pie. The cherry pie was either Marlene brought the apple pie. The cherry pie was either Amy or Marcia. The pumpkin pie was either Amy, Marcia, or Renee. And the strawberry pie was Amy or Renee. So I know that Marlene brought the apple pie. So I find Marlene's name down here, and I go over here and I type that she brought apple. Ooh, that was good. We got a lot of good clues, a lot of good thinking done there. Let's see what else we can figure out. Marcia, clue number 4. Marcia is younger than the one who brought the pumpkin pie. Ooh, that means Marcia did not bring the pumpkin pie because she's younger than the person who did bring it. So Marcia did not bring pumpkin pie. Ooh, we've almost figured out the pumpkin pie. Clue number 5. The one who brought the cherry pie has a birthday after Marlene. Oh, so that means Marlene could not bring the cherry pie because the person who has the cherry pie has a birthday after Marlene. So Marlene did not bring the cherry pie. Oh, well, we already knew that. Sometimes that happens where you get, but now it's confirmation because now we know we figured that out right. Clue number 6. The one who loves turkey is not Marcia or Renee. Okay, Marcia and Renee do not love turkey. So let's go here to Marcia does not love turkey. So here's Marcia, right there. Here's turkey. And Renee also does not love turkey. Here's Renee. So Marcia and Renee do not love turkey. The person whose birthday is on November 5th doesn't love stuffing. Okay, well, I don't know whose birthday is on November 5th, but I now know that they don't love stuffing. The person whose birthday is on November 1st is not Marlene. Okay, so here's November 1st. November 1st is not Marlene. So I think you're getting a good clue for how to do this. Amy's birthday is on either November 1st or November 5th. Well, so that means it's not the other days. It's either November 1st or November 5th for Amy. So Amy is November 1st or 5th, so Amy is not the 10th, and Amy is not the 15th. The one who brought apple pie loves mashed potatoes the best. Ooh, apple pie loves mashed potatoes. We know who brought the apple pie. The apple pie was Marlene. So we know that Marlene, gets a smiley face for mashed potatoes, and you know what that means. That means she does not love gravy. She does not love stuffing. She does not love turkey. And that also means that the person who brought cherry pie does not love mashed potatoes. The person who brought pumpkin pie does not love mashed potatoes. Oh, I'm out of X's. No worries. I'm going to go copy and paste. And remember, the shortcuts are Control C and Control V. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and put a bunch more. So I have some extras here. Make sure they're not in my table though, so I don't want to get confused. Okay, the last clue. Renee did not bring apple pie or pumpkin pie. Renee did not bring apple pie or pumpkin pie. Okay, here's Renee. Right here. She did not bring apple pie or pumpkin pie. Well, we already knew she didn't bring apple pie, but now we know she did not bring pumpkin pie. So we know she brought the strawberry pie. And that means that Amy did not bring the strawberry pie. Oh, I think we might know who brought the pumpkin pie. It was Amy. And if Amy brought the pumpkin pie, that means she did not bring cherry pie. And now we know Marcia brought the cherry pie. So let's go ahead and fill in some more of the information that we know right here. Amy brought the pumpkin pie. So we click here. All right. Marlene brought the apple pie. We already did that one. Marcia brought the cherry pie. And Renee brought the strawberry pie. We also know that the person who brought the apple pie brought the mashed potatoes. Wait a minute. We know who that was. Marlene. Marlene brought the mashed potatoes. So, if Marlene, oops, a little skipping there. If Marlene brought the mashed potatoes, we can put some things here too. We know Marcia did not bring mashed potatoes. Renee did not bring mashed potatoes. And Amy did not bring mashed potatoes. We know that Marlene did not bring gravy or stuffing or turkey. So we know that Marlene brought mashed potatoes. Now, we've gone through all the clues one time, and we figured out a good bit. If you start at the top and you go through the clues again, you will find that you know even more now. For example, of Renee and the one who brought cherry pie, one loves stuffing and the other has a birthday on November 10th. Well, we know who brought the cherry pie. We know that Marcia brought the cherry pie. So Renee and Marcia, one of them loves stuffing and the other has a birthday on November 10th. Start going through the clues one more time and you'll probably be able to solve the rest. Good luck. Can't wait to see how you did.